Hi riders and off-roaders. Welcome back to SG Riders, your home for the latest motorcycles, ATVs, and off-road machines. Today, we're exploring a true mud beast, the 2026 Can-Am Outlander X MR 1000. If you love extreme trails, deep mud, and unstoppable power, this ATV is built just for you. Aggressive design, built for mud. The Outlander X MR 1000 looks like it's ready to eat up any terrain. With its bold front fascia, raised mud guards, aggressive tires, and snorkel system, this machine screams off-road domination. The color scheme, heavy-duty bumpers, and rugged frame give it that mean, adventure-ready presence. Engine and performance, power unleashed. At the heart of this monster is a Rotax 1000 V-Twin engine, delivering around 91 horsepower. Insane power for an ATV. It's tuned for instant torque. So whether you're blasting through deep mud or climbing over rocks, the Outlander X MR 1000 delivers raw performance that won't let you down. Mud-ready features. This isn't a regular ATV. The X MR 1000 is built for extreme mud riding. You get snorkeled intake and CDT system for deep water crossings, 30-inch IDP crypted tires with aggressive tread for maximum grip, high clearance arched A-arms for rough terrains, winch system to pull you out of the toughest spots. Everything about this machine is designed for the dirtiest, muddiest adventures. Handling and suspension. Can-Am has equipped the 2026 Outlander X MR with Fox performance shocks and long travel suspension. This ensures comfort while also giving the ATV the ability to glide over rocks, ruts, and mud holes. With its wide stance and strong chassis, it remains stable even in the roughest terrain. Technology and comfort. Even though it's a hardcore mud machine, the Outlander X MR 1000 also comes with modern tech. You get dynamic power steering, a digital gauge cluster, and selectable 2WD/4WD modes with Visco-Lock auto-locking differential. This means more control and less effort for the rider. Final verdict, SG Riders take. The 2026 Can-Am Outlander X MR 1000 isn't for casual riders. It's for those who live for mud, power, and adventure. With its insane V-Twin engine, mud-specific features, and rugged build, this ATV is an off-road king. That's all for today's review, riders. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SG Riders for more reviews of the wildest bikes, ATVs, and machines on the planet. Until next time, ride hard, explore deep, and never stop the adventure. Backhand index pointing right. Do you also want me to prepare a clickbait YouTube title, killer description, 10 related titles, and trending hashtags so this Can-Am Outlander X MR 1000 video is upload ready?